Going over SoFi stock here today, and currently at $9.82, up about 2.72% today. In the overall night market, we did hit this low of $8.39, and then within today we had this big spike all the way up to $10.65. If you want to measure the move here from the low here of $8.39 all the way to $10.65, that was almost a 27% move on from the bottom here to the top of today. What I want to keep an eye out for, and what I am liking about this SoFi stock so far, is even though we got this false news about the 90-day tariff pause from Trump, we confirmed that it was false. We are having this retest looking like a stair step all the way back up towards 1065. This is again on the hourly chart, and so the hourly chart here looks pretty good here in my opinion. If you are afraid of a sell-off or a pullback down to about 938, which is going to be a support level as well, you can compare the current price here and drop it all the way down to 938. You have this risk here of about 4.5%. I'm going to go ahead and color this red so you can see. If you think the 1065 is going to be retested, followed by our resistance level here of 1080, right? It's going to be right around a 10% gain versus a 5% drop, okay? So while the reward here is a lot higher here in the short term, you want to keep in mind that if we break down below $9.38, it's definitely possible that we might even get this test all the way back down to $8.39 in the overnight hours here. So that low there of $8.39 is something I want to keep an eye out for as well, in case the overall market does drop some more. And however, personally, I wouldn't really be wanting to sell. We already dipped down a ton. The time to sell was about a month or 2 months ago here, in my personal opinion. And if anything, I think this is a really good dip opportunity for a lot of the stocks in the stock market right now. If I missed out my chance on, for example, buying Robinhood stock, Amazon, Nvidia, or any of the Mag 7, or even like SoFi stock, right? I think this is the dip opportunity. This is probably the best it could get before we have a potential rally back up towards the top side. Let me know what you think down below in the comments for SoFi stock, because I think this is a really good dip opportunity. And if you want to compare it from our current price here to the top side, you've got that 10% gain to 1080, right? And I already think this is going to be testing within April. On the bullish side of things for 2025, if we start to see that market recover a lot and rally back up, SoFi could potentially retest $13.40. That's already right around a 36% move from our current price, right? So dollar cost averaging at our current price here, I think, is a really good dip opportunity. Of course, you can hold on to cash, do what you think is best for you. Possibly, SoFi could sell off some more. And again, I'm not looking to buy the bottom. I'm just looking at a preferable price range where I think is considerable for its worth or its price, right? If you think the high here of 1842 is going to be retested, you can see from our current price here, it's a pretty good dip opportunity. If you're looking for this retest of 1842, it's pretty close to almost a 90% move back up towards the top side. So SoFi stock here, in my opinion, I think it's a pretty attractive price, but let me know what you think down below in the comments and what you are doing, if you're bullish or bearish on SoFi stock here in the long term or short term, okay? Short term outlook, of course, can be looking a lot riskier, but if you're looking at this from a long term perspective, like I personally wouldn't want to be buying up here, right? I think this is a pretty good entry if I'm a firm believer into SoFi's technology and its future, okay? If you don't have a community yet, I highly recommend joining our Discord, link down below in the description. It's free to join, and we have over 32,000 people, as well as a dedicated chat section for SoFi stock. If you are looking for live entries and exits, you can also join our Patreon, link down below in the description. We have a permanent discount promotion going on as we're celebrating our 5-year anniversary. So feel free to check out the Patreon there if you're looking to join, okay? Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video for SoFi stock.